Are you looking for the best permanent magnet motors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best permanent magnet motors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vevitts 350W Brushed Electric Motor. Vevitts 350W Brushed Electric Motor is a high-performance motor made of premium materials such as aluminum body, full copper coil, naturally air-cooled technology that lowers noise levels and increases the life of the motor. It is a reversible motor that is capable of rotation in either the clockwise or counterclockwise direction by reversing the motor's power wires. This motor is versatile and can be used in various machines such as wind turbines, electric cars, electric bikes, go-karts, mid-drive motor kits and more. What we like: high performance with 3,000 revolutions per minute and 28 current. Reversible motor for versatility. Premium material for long life and low noise. Number 2. Century GF 2024 Split Phase Motor 115V. The Century GF 2024 motor is designed with practical dimensions, measuring 23 inches long, 16.75 inches wide, and 13.75 inches high. These compact measurements make it easier for you to fit the motor into various spaces without hassle. Operating at 115 volts and drawing 5.4 amps, it provides reliable power suitable for many applications. The motor runs at 1/4 horsepower with a speed of 1,725 revolutions per minute, offering efficient performance for your equipment. Made in China, this motor combines quality manufacturing with practical size and power for your convenience. What we like: compact dimensions, reliable 115 VAC power, moderate current draw, 5.4 A, efficient 1/4 HP output, consistent 1,725 revolutions per minute speed. Number 3. Mrosnail 6PCS 280 Micro DC Motors 3V12V. The Mrosnail 280 Micro motors offer a flexible voltage range from 3V to 12V, letting you easily match your project's power needs. These motors spin at a high speed of 13,500 revolutions per minute while drawing just 0.5 A, giving you strong and efficient performance for fast-moving RC boats, DIY airplanes, or model toys. They are designed to use power wisely, helping your batteries last longer during use. Plus, each motor comes with insulated connectors and wires, making it simple to set up and connect without extra parts. Overall, these motors provide a reliable and user-friendly solution for various hobby and DIY projects. What we like: wide voltage compatibility, high-speed operation, energy-efficient design, included connectors and wires, pack of 6 motors. Number 4. DOCYKE 6V24V200W DC Planet Gear Motor. The DOCYKE Planet Gear motor is a versatile 6V to 24V DC motor designed for various DIY projects. Its high torque of 350 kg/cm ensures strong and reliable performance, perfect for applications like robots, rotating tables, and door locks. The motor features an 8mm output shaft, making it compatible with many mechanical setups. Plus, you can easily reverse the motor's direction by changing the wiring, giving you greater control over your project. This motor is ideal if you need a durable and flexible solution for your automated or mechanical needs. What we like: high torque output, wide voltage range, reversible rotation wiring, standard 8mm shaft. Number 5. High torque DC motor 12V/24V permanent magnet motor. This high torque DC motor is a versatile and efficient device for various DIY projects. It comes with a power rating of 30 W and is suitable for 12V/24V CW/CCW applications. Equipped with pure copper wire, the motor is low on heat generation and losses, and has a long lifespan. With high speed and torque, it operates quietly and is capable of superload work. This DIY motor is a perfect fit for a range of applications, including cotton candy machines, small cutting tables, grinding machines, and medical equipment. It also includes motor mounts for easy installation. What we like: versatile and efficient for various DIY projects. Pure copper wire winding for low heat generation and long lifespan. High speed and torque with super load work and low noise.